I am very happy with the lift because it allows me to move freely around the house, up and down, because I have a little bit of pain in the joints. So the lift has become very helpful for me to go up and down as often as I like without no concerns at all. I saw an ad on the social media, and then I with a couple of companies, so I made quotations for both. Your conditions and quotations were favorable, so that's why I chose the lift. So basically, the main reason I purchased the elevator is because I am foreseeing in the future, when I become older. I am old now, but when I become older, I'm going to have some issues with, climbing the stairs often or so. So from that perspective, having the lift in the home is going to be very, very helpful, because it will make my life much, much more easier. The elevator is eco-friendly. It doesn't, for example, it doesn't use electricity to come down, so it's very green. It's very good. The benefits I get from the elevator as enhancing the quality of my life in the house. With all the technical issues so properly installed, with the eco-friendly system and the safety features of it all, it is very good. I am very happy I made a decision to install the lift in my home. It's very nice because aesthetically it blends in the environment very harmoniously. As you say, no bolts, no connections, nothing, so it's very nice. Yeah, as you can see, the house is very well designed ornamentally. You have the guitars hanging on the wall, so the lift, especially that has the matching carpet now, it blends in very harmoniously with the environment. It's very nice. It is in perfect harmony with the surrounding of the house. Well, initially I didn't know exactly how it would fit, but once the elevator got here, I was very happy to see, as I said before, that it was very harmoniously looking. It doesn't break the harmony of the house. It is perfect. But it works the other way around. The product came here first, and then I was happy to see that it fits artistically. Okay, I've been around the world to many places, and I have used a lot of lifts, but this one is particularly smooth on its operation. It runs flawlessly. It's very nice. To anyone looking for it, get your Nibav elevator, because it's the best around, and it will make your life much, much easier.